Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for spending time with me. Welcome to my kitchen. Just cook DC called par. Get some wine. We are gonna be cooking French fries. Who doesn't like fried potatoes, man? Goodness, I love French fries. I can survive on French fries and wine. Alright, French fries. Best French fries ever. Show you how I make them, how to make perfect French fries. Stay with me on this one. It's gonna be a good one. Like, subscribe, comment, share, critique. Let me know how we're doing. Let me know what you want to see next in the comment section. Hit the like button. Tell me, hey man, you ever made this yet? I'll try to figure it out. May not be good, but I'll try.